I the a-hole for kicking my son out of my house? My daughter-in-law is pregnant, and in his all-knowing wisdom, my son decided to cheat on her. She inevitably found out and kicked him out of the house. During this time, he said she was having crazy pregnancy hormones, so we let him stay with us. After a couple of days, we decided to call his wife to make sure she was okay, and she revealed that he had cheated on her. I was upset, so I told him to get out of my house because I didn't want to associate with him. My wife is saying that I was too hard on him and that I should give them a chance to work things out, but I can't even look at him right now, and I don't want him in my house.